Hey guys, BuildZweet here, and this is just going to be an announcement video because I am finally moving. Unfortunately, it is not because I found the perfect place to move into, but because my mom's health is not great. And so I'm going to be moving all the way back to the Czech Republic, and that is a massive pain. And so I'm making this video because I am not dealing with it well. Yeah, originally, like I've known about the situation for a while, and I figured, like, hey, PCB breakdown videos don't require that much in the way of physical resources. So theoretically, it should be possible to produce them, even while dealing with the moving business, or produce a bunch of them in advance and then sort of do the moving thing without anybody really finding out about it until it's done. But I am not that person. This hypothetical, you know, functional human being that can produce videos at the same time as dealing with moving. I am not that. And so here I am with my excuse video for why content production has just completely collapsed because I am not dealing with this whole moving business very well at all. Um, so yeah, um, that's that's kind of that. There is good news, and the good news is that the place that I'm moving into is bigger than my current place, nicer than my current place. So once I'm done moving, hopefully it'll translate into more content production. But first I need to move, and like I mentioned earlier, I'm not handling that. So I don't know how long it's gonna take before I just like before this gets sorted out and it's like done or whatever, but yeah, I figured I'd let you know because it's gonna like I don't know. Like I don't know. Like I said, like theoretically I could like if I wasn't me, it should be totally possible to make videos and, pack boxes at the same time because it's not like I'm going to be packing boxes all day every day for like a month, but just yeah, I am me, and me can't record video while thinking about the prospect of having to pack boxes in the future. In fact, one of the like you might have noticed that like video production has been just generally really erratic for a while now, or like much lower than usual for a while now, and that's because I've been flying to the Czech Republic to like deal with some stuff. And basically, like, if I have a flight in 3 days, I am non functional for 3 days. Or like five. Like, it depends. Like, sometimes I get like flight anxiety, like, anxiety about having to deal with, getting to the airport and all of that. Like, a week in advance, sometimes a day in advance. So it's just, yeah. And this whole moving business is way, way worse than just getting myself to an airport and taking a flight somewhere. So uh yeah, like this video is literally just one giant excuse for like I'm sorry, I don't function like this. So um yeah. Um the thing is, like, on one hand, somebody might be like, "Oh, you should just get it over with." But like, my main concern with like trying to get it over with quickly is like, what if I forget something, or what if something gets lost, or like I break something in my because like the main issue with me moving is that I want to move my whole like hardware collection, and it's not very well documented. So one of the things I'm doing is actually writing everything that I have down so that I know that anything didn't get lost. And then there's also the packing issue, which my current flat is, in my opinion, too small, which makes the whole like packing things a massive problem because there's not really any space for to get stuff packed. So yeah. Anyway, that's it for this video. This is just an announcement. Like I'm moving, and I'm not dealing with it. So yeah. Thanks for watching, I guess, and also a huge thank you for all the support over the years. Um, but because yeah, I don't know. I just figured I'd say that. I don't even really know why. Anyway, that's it. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.